The new design of silk curtains can be customized according to your requirements. Our curtains are made of high-quality silk, which can resist the sun's UV rays and help block dust and allergens. These high-quality silk curtains are designed in our company to create a more serene and sophisticated look in your home. With a variety of colors and styles to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect one for your space. We can provide you with the best kinds of silk curtains. From the textured look of the contemporary panel to the graceful pattern of the classic rod pocket, you'll be able to find a design from our company that matches your taste. Each curtain is carefully crafted with your needs in mind, so you can feel confident that you're buying the best. Our company achieved memorable success in the field of silk curtains. You can achieve high-quality curtains from us.